In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a KFC gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so there's a few different ways how to get a KFC gift card, and it just depends on what location you are located at. So the first method is to visit KFC's official website or app if available in your region and look for their gift card section. I'm in Australia, so we don't have gift cards in Australia, but I think USA and other countries do. Just double check your region. Number two, so you can get a gift card by visiting your local KFC restaurant and ask the cashier if they sell physical gift cards. And number three, retail stores. So many grocery stores, supermarkets, or big box retailers, for example, Walmart, Target, sell KFC gift cards in their gift card section. And you can also participate in contests, surveys, or reward programs that might offer KFC gift cards as prizes or redemption rewards. And also gift card exchange websites. So you can also check platforms like Raise or Card Cash for discounted KFC gift cards. And if I go do a Google search for KFC gift card, we've got a few websites that offer these. So we can go to KFC themselves. So if I click into there, you'll see buy a KFC gift card and you can choose the amount, and then you just jot down your information here, recipient's email, name, email, your email, their email, phone number, and you can leave a message and then continue the payment. If we go back as well, there's another site here called giftly.com. So it says KFC gift cards, email, text, print, or mail. So if we just jump into this website here, it says KFC gift card and greeting cards. Gift up to $1,000 with suggestion to spend it at KFC. Deliver in a customized greeting card by email, mail, or printout. So you choose your amount, choose your design, click continue, and then that will take you to the payment section to purchase your gift card.